Today we are sliding into the box of the Tenda OAP1200 Gigabit dual-band outdoor access point. We are running through the complete breakdown and install, so let's get right into it. First impressions out of the packaging, the build is rugged and completely sleek. This beast is packing an IP65 weatherproof armor. Massive downpours, crazy heat waves, it literally pays no mind. It's engineered to survive the elements and put in work. But look at the ultimate spec flex. Blazing dual-band speeds hitting up to 1200 Mbps. 0 bars on the edge of the property? Forget about it. The high-gain antennas and heavy-duty amplifiers turn dead zones into high-speed lanes, so you always get a rock-solid, fast connection. Next-level network range, no headaches. If you are trying to extend your outdoor coverage the right way, this is definitely the move. Peace out.